A particle moves with simple harmonic motion in a straight line. In first tau second, after starting from rest, it travels a distance a, and in next tau second, it travels twice a in same direction then. Now we are required to find out correct option from the four options given. This problem is meant for the basic concept related to simple harmonic motion. If we try to understand the problem on that basis, we should know one fact in the SHM, and that fact goes like this. Suppose a particle is performing SHM, then for the particle to travel from the mean position to half of the amplitude is 1/12 of periodic time. From the midpoint to the upper extreme position or the extreme position is 1/6 of periodic time. That is a basic information which is there from any SHM. Now it is given to us in this case that a particle starts motion from rest. So first important and obvious point is that particle must be at position of amplitude at time t equal to 0. So on that ground, we can now try to analyze the situation where the particle is starting from this point and it is going to move by some distance a in tau second. Then it is given in next tau second it travels distance twice a. So if this distance is equal to a, let us say for instance that this distance it is equal to a, then it is going to take time 1/6 of periodic time. Let us say that is given to us as tau second. In next tau second, now if we consider from this point to this point, then it will be t by 12, or we can say it is equal to tau by 2. So again we can say that this time will be also equal to tau by 2, and on same ground this time will be equal to tau. This distance, if it is a, then it is said to us that it travels distance twice a in next tau second. Tau by 2 plus tau by 2, so this total time will become equal to tau, and in that total time it travels distance equal to twice a, that is given to us. So we can very well say that this distance must be equal to a. This distance also must be equal to a, and on that ground this distance must be equal to a. Now problem is well simplified, well justified according to the situation. We can say that safely that t by 6 must be equal to tau, or that gives periodic time is equal to 6 times tau. Second important thing that we can say is from this situation that a by 2, that is half of amplitude, is equal to a. That gives amplitude of oscillation is equal to twice a. Now if we see the options, then amplitude options are 4a and 3a, so they are ruled out. Periodic time options are 8 tau, which is again ruled out. So correct option in this case is option C. This problem on SHM, it was very tricky problem, and it may not be possible for every student to get the clear concept of that SHM at that moment. Those students who want to go for the conceptual solving of problem can also go in this case, that is then alternative solution to the same problem. Again analyzing the situation, then we are supplied with that information that at time equal to 0, particle was at the extreme position. Considering this situation, if the particle was at extreme position, then we can say that from the standard expression y is equal to a sine omega t plus phi, where phi is the initial phase, at time equal to 0, position of the particle from the mean or reference, it was equal to amplitude. So keeping that, we can say that phi is equal to pi by 2 radian. So equation of SHM will become y is equal to a sine omega t plus pi by 2. That gives the equation of motion in SHM for this situation as y equal to a cos omega t. Now the situation goes like this. It is said that in first tau second, here time is equal to 0, and in first tau second the particle travel distance equal to a. So it travels distance equal to a in tau second. If this is the amplitude, then we can say that position of the particle from the reference is equal to, we can say it is a minus a over here. So position of particle is a minus a after time equal to tau. That gives us our first equation, y is equal to not y, we will write that position itself over here. So instead of y, we will write a minus a is equal to a cos omega tau. That would become our first equation. In the next situation, it is given that in next tau second, it travels distance equal to twice a. So this is the distance traveled in next tau second. So total time, if we consider, then total time is tau plus tau, so it is 2 tau, and total distance from the upper extreme is a plus twice a, that is thrice a. From the mean position, same distance will become a minus 3a. So geometrically we can say that the position of particle will be a minus 3a after time equal to, we can say 2 tau second. So second equation that we will get is a minus 2a is equal to a cos omega into 2 tau. We can solve this equation and we will get our required answer. So let us try to, we can say that, arrange the equation. So we can get from the first equation, a must be equal to a taken common 1 minus cos omega tau. Similarly, sorry, here I have committed a mistake. It should be a minus 3a. So in this case I can write 3a is equal to a 1 minus cos 2 omega tau. If I divide these two equations, then I will get 3a by a, that is equal to 3, must be equal to 1 minus cos 2 omega tau divided by 1 minus cos omega tau. We know that 1 minus cos 2 theta, because omega t can be considered as theta, so it is 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. So that can be written as 3 is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta can be written as 2 sine square theta. So here I can write 2 sine square omega tau divided by 1 minus cos omega tau. That gives us, if I take 2 in the denominator on the left hand side, 3 by 2 sine square omega t can be written as 1 minus cos square omega t. So 1 minus cos square omega tau divided by 1 minus cos omega tau. It appears as form of a square minus b square. So it can be also written as 1 minus cos omega tau into 1 plus cos omega tau divided by 1 minus cos omega tau. This term will get cancelled out. So we now are left out with 3 by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos omega tau. That gives us 3 by 2 minus 1, that would be half, equal to cos omega tau. So on solving, we get omega tau is equal to pi by 3. So that gives us simplification, because omega can be written as 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3 is equal to, sorry, not 2 pi by 3, it is 2 pi by t. 2 pi by t into tau is equal to pi by 3. Pi and pi will get cancelled out. We get final answer for periodic time is equal to 6 times tau. So that was actually the desired answer, which we found by a conceptual method also, and it can be solved and it can be obtained in this way also.